Everyone thinks the best-selling jump starter for diesel engines is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, NOCO Boost GB40. The NOCO Boost GB40 is a compact and powerful jump starter priced at $91.21. What caught my attention is its ability to start diesel engines up to 3L with a whopping 1,000 amps of peak power. If you want a reliable jump starter that doesn't take up much space, this is worth a serious look. This jump starter has some impressive features that cater to your needs. With its 1,000 amps of peak lithium power, you can expect to jumpstart your diesel engine up to 20 times on a single charge. Plus, the built-in safety technology ensures spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, meaning you can hook it up without worrying about making a mistake. And if you ever need power on the go, it doubles as a power bank for your devices, which is super handy. The 100-lumen LED flashlight can be a lifesaver during nighttime emergencies. Now, some people complained about its relatively lower amp output compared to other jump starters. Here's the thing though, for most small to mid-sized diesel engines, 1,000 amps is more than enough. If you're dealing with larger engines regularly, then it might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, reliable jump starter that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you need something that can handle larger diesel engines routinely. For the price, it offers great value and peace of mind. Now, if the GB40's amp output concerns you, the next product might take that worry completely off your mind. Product number 2, OXILAM Jump Starter. Next up, we have the OXILAM Jump Starter priced at $59.99. This one grabbed my attention with its staggering 6,000 amps of peak power, ready to tackle any diesel engine needs. If you're looking for a powerful jump starter that's budget-friendly, this one is worth considering. With just one charge, you can jumpstart up to 60 times, which is insane. Plus, it features smart safety protections that minimize risks like short circuits and reverse polarity. The multiple USB ports allow you to charge your devices quickly, making it a multifunctional tool in emergencies. The LED display is a nice touch too, providing real-time battery status. However, a few users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer, especially for first-time users. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. So if you're tech-savvy or willing to figure it out, it's not a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful jump starter that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something with very detailed instructions included. Given its price and performance, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need serious power. Product number 3, NOCO Boost GB150. Coming in at $299.95, the NOCO Boost GB150 is a heavy hitter with 3,000 amps of peak power. What really caught my eye is its capacity to start larger diesel engines up to 7L if you're serious about needing a jump starter for big diesel engines. This is definitely worth a look. This jump starter is designed for those who need reliability in tough situations. It can deliver up to 80 starts on a single charge, which means you're covered for multiple jump starts without needing to recharge. The UltraSafe technology ensures you can connect it without any worries about sparks or incorrect connections. Plus, the integrated power bank will keep your devices charged, while the 500-lumen flashlight is powerful enough to help you in emergencies. A drawback some users have noted is the recharge time of about 7 hours, which can be a bit long if you need it in a hurry. But if you're someone who regularly uses a jump starter, the performance makes it worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with larger diesel engines and need something you can rely on. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and easily portable. For the investment, it provides unmatched power and reliability. Now, if you're looking for something a bit lighter on the wallet but still powerful, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, NOCO Boost GB70. The NOCO Boost GB70 is next, priced at $199.95. With 2000 amps of peak power, it's a solid choice for those needing a reliable jump starter for diesel engines up to 6L. If you want a mid-range option that doesn't skimp on features, you'll want to hear about this. This jump starter shines with its combination of power and portability. With the ability to jumpstart your vehicle up to 40 times on a single charge, you won't be left stranded. The ultra-safe technology ensures safe connections, and the integrated power bank functionality is super handy for charging your devices when you're on the go. The 400-lumen flashlight can also help you see what you're doing in low-light situations. However, some users pointed out that it's a bit heavier than expected, which might be an issue if you prefer something lightweight. But honestly, that added weight translates to durability and power, making it worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and durable jump starter that offers great features. Skip this one if you prioritize ultra-lightweight gear. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if that extra weight is a concern for you, let's look at a jump starter that might offer a lighter option. Product number 5. WLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter. Finally, we have the WLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter, priced at $101.99. Its capacity to handle both gas and diesel engines up to 10L is what initially drew me in. If you're looking for something capable yet affordable, this is one to consider. The HD LCD display makes it easy to monitor battery status, which is a nice feature. Plus, the 65W quick charge means you won't be waiting around forever for it to recharge. It even includes a one-touch booster function, making it user-friendly. However, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better. While this might be a concern for heavy users, it's still adequate for occasional use. If you're someone who uses a jump starter frequently, just make sure to charge it regularly. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and powerful jump starter for occasional use. Skip this one if you need a jump starter for everyday heavy-duty use. Given its features and price, it's a solid choice for casual users. So to wrap it up, the NOCO Boost GB40 is great for compact needs. The OXI LAM is an excellent budget-friendly powerhouse. The NOCO Boost GB150 is perfect for heavy-duty users. The NOCO Boost GB70 strikes a balance between power and portability, and the WLFBOX is a fantastic affordable option for occasional users. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need most before making your choice.